Welcome to JH. I recently gave Built Bar a shot, and I have to admit, it's surprisingly edible for something that's supposed to be healthy. It's got a soft, chewy texture that actually mimics a candy bar, complete with a smooth chocolate coating that isn't trying too hard to be sweet. Because let's be honest, most protein bars usually have the mouthfeel of a flavored eraser. I dove into the brownie batter puff flavor, and it really hit the mark. Rich, fudgy, and packed with a marshmallowy center that makes it feel like a genuine treat instead of a dietary chore. At just 140 calories and 17 grams of protein, it's satisfying without making you feel like you just swallowed a decorative brick. The best part is the complete lack of that depressing, chalky aftertaste that usually haunts the world of supplements. It's a guilt-free snack that actually keeps the hunger at bay, which is perfect for those moments between meals when you're starting to consider eating your coworkers. With everything from classic bars to puffs and granola, they've provided enough variety to satisfy even the pickiest eater. If you're looking for a convenient way to boost your protein without questioning your life choices, Built Bar is a solid bet.